Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
I was trying to get back in shape and started walking, and it first started feeling like I had sprained my left ankle. That's where it first started.
Okay.
And it just kept getting worse and worse. And so I thought I needed new shoes. So I got new shoes. That didn't help. I tried stretches. I tried, compression socks, just different things that just didn't help. And when I went to the doctor, the urgent care, or when I went to my regular primary care physician, they just wanted to give me, medicine, just painkillers basically, which wasn't, it masks the problem, it doesn't help the problem.
Treat the
and then
root cause of the problem.
Yeah, I tried stretches, which helped, but I think I overstretched because now I have really bad.
From the stretching. It's very common actually to injure yourself from the stretching because think about it, if your muscle acts like a rubber band, when it contracts, stretch. If you overstretch, you're gonna snap it, you're gonna cause more inflammation. So you want to be careful with stretching.
Okay. And I wore a boot for a little bit of time, and when I wore that boot, that's when my right side started getting inflamed and started having problems with that. And I tried cryotherapy for chiropractor. He was doing trying to do treatments on me, and that didn't help. I had problems standing. The sharp pains that go straight up in the mornings.
So you're pain more in the morning and subside a little bit with walking, and you start to feel pain with long sitting and stuff on it. So that's a plantar fasciitis.
It gets to the point at work where in the afternoons I have to take my shoes off because of how bad.
So do you feel like sharp stabbing pain, like needles kind of like when you start to walk, and you feel it in the here or the plantar part or both?
On the arches part.
The arches, okay. So how long has it been going on?
Since September.
So like about 3 months now.
Yeah.
Okay. So what can we do to aggravate your symptoms now?
Stretching.
Let's do it. Okay. When you do stretching.
It's like a 7.
Okay.
Right here.
Where do you feel it?
Right here. And you can see the nodules have now gotten bigger.
Walking is fine, or just a stretching?
It's more of the just standing still in one place that aggravates it.
How much from 0 to 10?
It's you're saying to
10 is emergency room, 0 is nothing. Standing and
like 7.
7. Okay. Let me see how you walk. So more stretching and standing than walking. But you're kind of limping. Is that your normal speed?
My normal, no.
Normal walking
I'm a lot
speed? Okay.
slower than what I usually do.
Yeah, okay. Alright, so we're gonna use that for testing. Let's try to stretch it now and tell me how that feels.
I could feel a difference in my legs.
What do you feel?
I feel a it's like I could feel my legs. Does that even make sense?
You have more sensation now because when you had a scar tissue that compress on your nerve ending, that decrease your sensation, decrease your feeling. So let's go down and stretch it and tell me how that feels.
Oh, I could do it without.
You're going further, actually.
Yeah.
How's that?
Oh my gosh.
Any pain or it's totally gone?
It doesn't feel painful like that. Okay. I could even stand without it feeling like something's going to shoot up my leg.
Okay. So let's try walking now.
Feels a lot better. Oh my gosh.
Am I walking different?
You're not limping as before.
Yeah.
Suck your stomach and land on your heel. How's that feel? Any pain or it's gone?
No, it's gone.
Uh-huh.
It feels a lot better. My legs just feel different.
What's different?
It's like I've got my feeling back.
Sensation.
My legs. Yeah.
That's good. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Let's do one more stretch for me. So you did before we start one stretch and you start to feel the pain. You said it was 7 out of 10?
Yeah.
How about now?
I don't feel it.
Let's do 5.
5 stretches?
Yeah, back and forth.
I can't believe I could even stand. It feels like I could stand correctly flat before I felt like I was just
not able to put weight on it.
Yeah.
Okay. You're really going further, actually.
I know. That's amazing.
It's nice. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Are you counting? If you're not counting, we're gonna do 500. Okay.
This is 4.
Okay. I'll take your word.
Oh my gosh. Now that last one, I felt it actually here.
What did you feel?
Just a sharp right here, but it just stayed right here.
Is it gone or you still feel it?
Yeah, no, because I stopped stretching.
Okay, let's drink a little bit more water and we'll do stretching again. Say?
I said, I can't believe I've been just standing this long, even drinking the water, and I don't feel like I need to adjust my weight or something because I can stand.
So let's try to do 5 more and stop when you feel that any pain.
Ooh. I don't know why I did that. I've never had that before.
Okay.
Am I stretching like,
I will not hold it, just going back and forth. Because stretching could cause inflammation. It's just testing now.
So don't go as far down.
Yeah, just be comfortable. Don't overstretch. Remember, stretching causes inflammation. We're just doing the range of motion that you had trouble with.
Okay. This is the 5th one.
Okay, so how do you feel now?
feels a lot better than it has in a long time.
And you tried chiropractor, cryotherapy, boots, pain medication,
compression socks.
Yeah,
Big difference.
Yeah.
I can stand. I can function. I feel my legs. I didn't realize that I couldn't before.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. Okay, Tina, so we used the MagnaHeal after the treatment because visually when you were sitting, you start to notice your feet swelled up.
Yes.
So can you give me a feedback after, like, while you're sitting, you put the MagnaHeal for a few minutes.
Yes.
What's going on?
It dramatically decreased, and the pain from it inflaming so badly has gone down. My feet feel so much better than what they were when I was sitting.
Did you visually see difference in the swelling
itself is probably easily half.
In just a few minutes
just
with
a
the
few
MagnaHeal.
minutes on there. Yeah.
Awesome.
I did notice you need to drink a lot of water with that.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah. Thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.